President William Ruto ugite gugikinya mweri wa kana mwaka uyu kamera cia guthurima thibidi cia ngari nicikugathikwo mabarabara-inĩ ani thutha wa riboti kuonania mitino ya barabara nĩyongererekete na njĩra nene.
Bwana DG, go do what you have to do with the support of the minister and the Ministry of Transport. Rolling out the cameras is not rocket science.
President arutete mwerekero uyu hindi ya kwamukira riboti ya kanjo ya gukinyaniria kihoto na iria rathuthuragia mitino ya barabara guku bururi-ini itongorio ni mucirithania munene Martha Koome na iria yonanitie ati andu 5,000 nio makuire mitino-ini ya barabara mwaka muhituku.
Kenya records more than 4,000 road fatalities annually. Last year alone, 5,009 deaths were reported.
We realized when there are fatalities, accidents on the roads, it doesn't matter whether it is NTSA that has failed, whether it's the police that has failed, whether it's the prosecution or the court, all of us as a country.
Kuringana na riboti ino andu 509 nio makuire mwaka wa 2025 na mbere yongererekete na andu 261 ukiringithania na mwaka wa 2024 kuri andu 4,748 mateire mioyo yao. Hindi ya mambura ma mwaka muhituku andu 415 ni mateire mioyo yao na mbere yongererekete ukiringithania na mwaka wa 2024 na kuri andu 338 makuire. Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri gukiri uguo ni huthagira ciringi bilioni 48.5 irita ngarama ya urigiti kuri aria magurarira mitino-ini ya barabara o mwaka.
Road safety must be pursued through a whole of government and a whole of society approach. Dedicated financing mechanisms, including the operationalization of the National Road Safety Fund.
Maafitha a borithi ya barabara gwitia mahaki hamwe na muingi kwaga gukorwo mari maitho ni mamwe ma maundu maria macungagiriria mitino kuongerereka.
70% of this big problem we are trying to solve here can be sorted out with just 2 interventions: instant fines and vehicle inspection. Things within our purview and our reach in months.
Thirikari riu niyaniriire mitaratara mieru kuri ahuthiri othe a barabara aria ni hamwe na faini ya hau oro undu umwe na kugathikwo gwa kamera barabara-ini.
We do not need to argue with offenders. The cameras will provide foolproof evidence that they are in breach. Number 2, we do not have to go and bother the Chief Justice in court.
The NCAJ stands ready to lead and coordinate the justice sector and to respond in partnership with the executive and with the legislature to ensure that our laws are modern.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Gishimo Joseph.